your car too.
Let's go with the granny flag. Is that a Supra? Who did it? Come on! Dead white!
On another episode of Something on Everything That I Own is Broken, and shit be broke on this today too, is we're back to the Silverado. So, and this is my fault. On a lake day, I had a few too many of Uncle Sam's, and I opened the door, and well, the door didn't open, it just broke. So we're gonna replace this door handle, and this is good for any of the, I think there are 2000s to 2004, 5 Silverados. They might be the earlier model, so any of them with the slant eyes or the generation just before, I believe I'll use the same door handle. But this one's an 04, so we're gonna put our Torx bit on, we're gonna take these off and see what we have behind here. This damn woman is like, every job's not hard, every job's not hard, some jobs are easy, and I just went on this whole tirade about how not every job is easy. Most of them are difficult, simply because of the time you've got to set aside to deal with it and learn how to fix it. And as soon as I get these 2 bolts out of the door to take the door handle off, I realize this is the job that she was talking about being easy, even though she doesn't know what she's talking about 99% of the time. This is how difficult this job is. I'm going to put the screws back in, we're done. That video was almost a waste of time to film. There it is. Hopefully when I get my beer strength, I won't rip that one off. That is easily the easiest thing I've ever done. I don't know why I even filmed it. Maybe it helped you.
Come on, boy! Come on! Yeah!